Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how we can insert a table into an already existing table in your Microsoft Word document. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced skills to do that. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me start with a completely new table. So to do that, open a new document, and what you want to do is click on Insert here at the top and select Table from the drop-down menu. And after that, let me add, for instance, a table with dimensions 4 by 3, just like that. And what you want to do after that, guys, as you can see, we have our first table. So what you want to do is simply left-click on the cell where you would like to add your second table. So let me add it, for instance, to that cell here. And what you want to do after that, repeat this previous step by simply clicking on Insert here and by clicking or selecting Table from the drop-down menu and by selecting your table's dimensions. Like, for instance, let us go with a 4 by 5 table, just like this. And as you can see, it has been added to that cell. Super simple, as you can see. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.